Realme showcased its 320-watt charging technology, capable of charging from 0 to 100% in 4 minutes. They did this during a fan festival held in their homeland from August 13th to 15th, called the Realme 828 Fan Fest, and they have decided to name this new technology SuperSonic Charge. The person responsible for making this presentation was Chase Chu, president of Realme, who demonstrated in front of several media outlets how this technology worked. It was shown that in just 1 minute, it was capable of reaching up to 26% battery capacity, while 50% could be achieved in only 2 minutes of charging. The full charge was completed in approximately 4.5 minutes, although Realme rounded it off and decided to name this technological milestone the 4-minute miracle. So you could charge your phone from zero just like that while you're having a cup of coffee. It's worth remembering that this charging power is still not available in any commercial Realme product, although most Realme smartphones do have very high charging capacities. With this, Realme demonstrates that it has always been a pioneer in charging power. In fact, on other platforms, they have published a video showing how this power has evolved over time. In 2021, they introduced 65 watts along with the Realme X Pro. Then with the Realme GT Neo 3 in 2022, they showcased 150 watts, and in 2023 with the Realme GT, they reached 240 watts in a commercial product. In this video, they show how they developed this technology to achieve an extremely thin battery capable of receiving all this power, although it has not been specifically mentioned what capacity the battery used in the 4-minute test has. And another important element is achieving that the 320-watt charger is this compact. So they also show in this video how they have developed this charger with 2 USB-C ports in a super compact format. Let me know if you would like to see this charging power in a commercial Realme product. Remember that Realme shares certain technologies with Oppo and in turn with OnePlus, so among these 3 brands, we might see a commercial product with support for 320-watt SuperSonic Charge.